how much bandwidth is enough bandwidth? Because over the years, the speed has increased. And as I use my my Time Warner's Roadrunner, I don't get the sense that I'm getting the actual speed that they're advertising. Only to find out that there are tiers of speed, tiers of bandwidth. So how much bandwidth is going to be enough to accommodate some of these new technologies, the digital media that's traveling over the internet? How much bandwidth is enough bandwidth?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know whether that's a finish line type thing. There is no finish line, right? You will continue to see it improve. I mean, I was somewhere today and I had to plug in my wireless card into the laptop, and I was frustrated at how slowly the web pages were loaded. You know, 2 years from now, that's probably going to be lightning times faster than that. And I think we'll just continue to see it evolve. On the cable stuff, and I hope there are no Time Warner people here, I actually found out why that's the case. And depending on how many people in a, I think it's 15 square block radius within New York who have signed up for it, it's going to slow up your speed. So move to an area where nobody else is trying to right?
I just want to add, John, you can follow me, but you know, bandwidth is it's a passion for me because as much as I am a cable guy, and I believe that cable companies in a lot of ways should be given the opportunity to build great infrastructure. There has to be some coordinated effort between government, the public, and the companies, because frankly, it is a fundamental right. There's so many people still in this country that don't have the kind of bandwidth that will allow them to participate in a lot of things that we're doing these days. And as you saw in the predictions, let's set a goal. Let's have the federal government set a goal for bandwidth throughput symmetrically, a 1 gigabyte goal. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. And that will actually increase opportunities. It'll increase jobs, it will increase commerce. So many new ideas will be born from that. Joe?
Yeah, I just wanted to say, in case people haven't started to get the sense that there's a real politics of bandwidth here that people should be keen to. And technologically, there's really no reason why you shouldn't be paying the same amount for a bit in either direction. And the asymmetrical, deal that you have with Time Warner or your cable company is one aspect of this that's really important to deal with. Another one is network neutrality. And so, if we're talking about access, then network neutrality plays a huge role in our ability to access the content that we want. And a lot of people would argue that in a neoliberal society, the form that censorship would take would be something like network neutrality. And municipal wireless is an issue where I think legislation has been attempted to kind of bring some of these equities to the table, namely not necessarily even a free service, but one that's symmetrical and equal, or one that was distributed in different ways, and those have been shut down systematically across the country. So there's a real politics of bandwidth here that I think factors into the kind of commerce that people here care about. So